गलती हो गई, फाइल गलत एडिट हो गई या कमिट गलत मैसेज के साथ चला गया, डोंट वरी, गिट के पास अंडू का फुल बैकअप सिस्टम है। आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कैसे सेफली अंडू करें स्टेज चेंजेस, कमिट्स या इवन फाइल डिलीट्स। हेलो डेवलपर्स, मैं हूं योगेंद्र बीरे और आप देख रहे हो कोडिंग योगेंद्र बीरे, जहां कोडिंग को बनाया जाता है इजी और सिंपल यूजिंग प्रैक्टिकल ट्यूटोरियल्स। लेट्स सी व्हाई अंडू इज इंपॉर्टेंट। गिट में गलतियां होना नॉर्मल है, कभी फाइल गलत चेंज हो जाती है, कभी स्टेजिंग या कमिट का ऑर्डर गलत हो जाता है, इसलिए अंडू ऑप्शन समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो लेट्स डू द प्रैक्टिकल नाउ। सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज undoing in Git. How you can undo in Git. So let's create a demo folder. So mkdir and I'll just name it as undo demo. So let's go into that folder cd undo demo and let's initialize the Git repository. So initialization is done. So let's understand the first case, that is undo unstage changes in file. So let me just do the echo and I'll just write the message line 1 and it will create a file file.txt. It will create the file with this name automatically. Hit enter. So let's see ls-lrt. So there is one file with the name of file.txt. Let me just show you the content inside this cat file.txt. So here it is, line number 1. So let's do the git add and git commit -m and initial initial commit. So this is my initial commit. Let's add the new line. So that is echo and line 2 and inside the file.txt. Echo spelling mistake, echo echo line number 2. It's done. आपने फाइल में कुछ ऐड किया बट अब लग रहा है कि गलत है, अंडू करना है. Let's do it. So git checkout and file.txt. Hit enter. So let's see the file cat file.txt. So still there is only one message, that is line number 1. ये कमांड फाइल को लास्ट कमिट के स्टेज में वापस ले जाती है. So let's see the second scenario. So let me just clear the screen. So second scenario is undo staged changes but not committed. We are not just committing it, we are just moving the file into just staging area. So let's echo and I am just writing the message line 3 and inside the file.txt. It's done. So let's see cat file.txt. So we have line number 1 and line number 3. आपने ऐड कर दिया लेकिन अब स्टेजिंग हटाना है. So कैसे? So first of all we have to stage the file. Git add file. So let me just show you git status. So the file is modified and it is in the staging area. So let's remove the file from the staging area. So git reset and the name of file.txt. Hit enter. So the file has been changed. So let's see. So we have the file in working directory. So let's see the third case, that is undo the last commit. So but we have to keep the changes. So let's see git add. So first of all let me just add the file. So git add and git commit and I'll just name it as wrong commit. So this is my wrong commit that I have done. So let me just show you the status. Git status, it's clear, and git log -1 line. But I think I have done something wrong. Commit गलत मैसेज के साथ चला गया but changes चाहिए. So let's do git reset and -soft and I'll just name the head and 1. This is my head 1. So इससे last commit undo होगा लेकिन changes stage रहेंगे. So let's see the git status. So the file is modified. But यहाँ पे पूरी हमारी जो clean थी हमारी working directory and staging area पूरा clean था. So let's do the commit. Git commit -m and corrected git message and it's done. So let's see the case 4th. So inside this we have to completely discard the commit and the changes. So let's see how we can do that. So git reset hyphen hyphen hard and the head name, that is head1. Hit enter. So it comes with a warning, that is इस कमांड से कमिट के साथ साथ आपके चेंजेस भी चले जाएंगे, so use with caution. So get status status status, so it is clean, and cat file.txt. So we have with the line number 1. Let's see the last and final case, that is case 5. Inside this we have to undo the commit that is already pushed, or we have to revert it back. So let's see how we can do it. So the command is get revert with the commit hash. So before that I'll just show you the get log hyphen hyphen one line. So we have this log, and I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it. Get revert and paste the file. So it opened the VS Code editor. So just simply close it. We don't want this to edit, and as you can see the revert initial commit, we have reverted back with the initial commit. ये सेफ है, एक नया कमिट क्रिएट होता है जो ये सेफ है एक नया कमिट क्रिएट होता है जो पहले वाले को रिवर्ट करता है. So let me just show you the get log hyphen hyphen one line. So this is the new commit that has been added. Let's try to do the cat and file name, that is file.txt. file.txt. So it will show us the error because with this name there is no such file exist. So let's try to bring it back. So आपके लिए काम है, ये है हमारी आईडी, और जाके फटाफट से कमेंट कर दो कि आप इस वाली फाइल को वापस से कैसे लेके आ सकते हो. आपका अंडू के साथ सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रगल क्या था, कमेंट में जरूर बताना. और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो जाके फटाफट से वीडियो को लाइक करो, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करो, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना, ताकि मेरे वीडियोस आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचते रहें. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए कोड करो और ग्रो करो.